Hello, friends. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Travel Diaries. Here we talk about the most loved and famous tourist destinations. Today, we are going to share interesting facts about Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, covering much of northwestern Brazil and extended into Colombia, Peru, and other South American countries. It's the world's largest tropical rainforest, famed for its biodiversity. It's crisscrossed by thousands of rivers, including the powerful Amazon. The Amazon is one of Earth's last refuges for jaguars, harpy eagles, and pink river dolphins. And it is home to sloth, black spider monkeys, and poison dart frogs. It contains 1 in 10 known species on Earth, 40,000 plant species, 3,000 freshwater fish species, and more than 370 types of reptiles. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest. It's home to more than 30 million people and 1 in 10 known species on Earth. The Amazon rainforest covers an enormous 6.7 million square kilometers. The Amazon is thought to be home to 10% of known species on Earth. It is estimated that there could be nearly 400 billion trees standing in the Amazon. Direct human causes of deforestation include logging, agriculture, cattle ranching, mining, oil extraction, and dam building. These are the destroying factors of the rainforest. That's all for this video. See you again in another exciting video about any other stunning tourist destination. Like and share with friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care. Bye-bye.